California Braille and Talking Book Library in collaboration with Adaptive Technology Services. Downloading books to the online bookcase. There are 3 steps you need to complete before books can be downloaded from NLS BARD directly to the device. 1. Connect the VRS to a wireless source such as a Wi-Fi hotspot or other Wi-Fi network. 2. Register the VRS. 3. Enable the NLS BARD service on the VRS. Typing with the VRS. To connect the VRS to a Wi-Fi network or to enter username and password information for online services such as NLS BARD, enter text using the multi-tap text entry method on the number pad. There are 2 multi-tap text entry methods.
Announce final character only.
And
Announce character on each key press, then enter character after pause.
to change the multi-tap text entry method, select the standard bookcase and press the menu key 7 repeatedly until you access the multi-tap text entry method option. Use the move back key 4 and move forward key 6 to cycle through the options and press confirm # to activate. The Announce Final Character Only method. Press the number keys 0 to 9 to type the text. For example, key 2 is used for letters A, B, C, and the number 2. Key 3 has letters D, E, F, and number 3. Key 6 has letters M, N, O, number 6, and so on. The space character is on key 0. Punctuation and special characters are on keys 0 and 1. To enter a character, press the number key associated with that letter the appropriate number of times. When entering successive letters on the same key, you need to pause until the VRS announces the letter. For example, to type the word cab, you press key 2 3 times, then pause until you hear C. Then press it once again, pause until you hear A, then press it twice to type the last letter B. You do not need to pause to type successive letters that are on different keys. For example, to enter the word mama, you can press 6262 as quickly as you like. The Announce Character on each key press method. With this multi-tap method, the VRS announces the character as soon as the key is pressed, leaving enough time to press it again and select another character on the same key. After a short time, if no other key is pressed, the VRS will make a clicking noise indicating that the last character spoken has been entered. As with the previous method, you do not need to pause to type successive letters that are on different keys. Pressing another key enters the previous character automatically, and no clicking noise is made. This method allows you to find the letters on the numeric keypad more easily. Keys to know when you are entering text. Press the fast forward key to announce what you have typed. Press the rewind key to erase the last character typed. Press and hold the rewind key until you hear a beep to erase all the characters at once. Press the bookmark key to toggle between lowercase and uppercase entry. Press the sleep key to turn on or off key describer mode when entering text. When you finish typing, press the confirm # key to start the action. Press the Cancel star key to exit without entering the text. Connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot provided by BTBL. 1. Turn on the VRS and wait for the welcome message. 2. Make sure the airplane mode on the VRS is off. The default mode is set to on. Airplane mode can be toggled on or off by pressing and holding the online button. This is the circular-shaped key in the middle of the top row of the VRS keys. 3. Turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot and keep it within a few feet of the VRS. 4. Briefly press the online button to toggle from standard offline bookcase to the online bookcase. The wireless configuration menus are only available from the online bookcase. 5. Press the menu key 7. If steps 1 to 4 were successfully implemented, you will hear the words
Menu, wireless, airplane mode, off.
6. Press the scroll down key 8 until you hear
Scan for available connections.
7. Press the confirm key #. 8. Press the scroll down key 8 to go through the list of available connections. 9. Press the confirm key # after you hear the words SSID, BTBL, signal strength, excellent. 10. Enter the password good books without the quotation marks. Note: this password is formatted in lowercase letters without a space between the words. 11. Press the confirm key # after the password is entered correctly. Connecting to a Wi-Fi network. 1. Turn on the VRS and wait for the welcome message. 2. Make sure the airplane mode is turned off on the VRS. The default mode is set to on. The airplane mode can be toggled on or off by pressing and holding the online button. This is the circular-shaped key on the top row of the VRS keys. 3. Press the online button to make sure you are in the online bookcase. 4. Press the menu key 7. If steps 1 to 4 were successfully completed, you will hear the words
Menu, wireless, airplane mode, off.
5. Press the scroll down key 8 until you hear
Scan for available connections.
6. Press the confirm key #. 7. Press the scroll down key 8 to go through the list of available connections menu. 8. Press the confirm key # once. You hear the name of the network you are trying to connect to. 9. Enter the password for the network. Note: passwords are case sensitive. 10. Press the confirm key # once the password is entered correctly. 11. When successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network, the VRS announces it is connected to the network. You will then be prompted to enter an optional nickname for the network. 12. Enter a nickname for your network and press the confirm key # or bypass this option by pressing the confirm # key. Registering the VRS. To play NLS BARD books and magazines on the Victor Reader Stream, VRS, you need to register the device with NLS. The following instructions will help you request and activate the registration authorization keys from Humanware. 1. go to https://nlsbard.loc.gov in a web browser, on a phone or computer. 2. Enter your username and password to log into your BARD account. 3. Go to the Account Settings link. 4. Go to select this link to add a purchased player. 5. Click on or tab to the Please select the type of player you will be using drop-down list box and select HumanWare Victor Reader Stream from the list. 6. Activate the Next button. 7. Follow the prompt to enter the VRS serial number. Note, to find the VRS serial number, turn on your VRS and press the number 0 repeatedly until you hear About Victor Reader, and listen for the 12-digit serial number. When you submit your request, the browser will confirm the form was sent. You will also receive an email from NLS Services confirming your request. Within 2 business days, you will receive another email from NLS confirming your application has been approved, followed by an email from HumanWare with detailed instructions on how to activate your device. After receiving the email from HumanWare, if the VRS has been connected to a wireless source, the authorization keys will download and automatically install the next time you turn on the device. If the authorization keys do not install automatically, download and install the file manually using the following steps. 1. Turn on the VRS. 2. Make sure the VRS connects to the Wi-Fi hotspot or other Wi-Fi network and the airplane mode is off. 3. Go to the online bookcase by pressing the Online button. 4. Press the menu key 7 repeatedly until you hear
Software updates.
5. Press the scroll down 8 key to
Check for updates now.
6. Press the confirm key #. VRS will then announce 3 user keys processed. You can listen to BARD books and magazines after the NLS authorization keys are downloaded and installed. Note, press the info key 0 to verify the key installation. The VRS will then announce 3 user keys in the About Victor Reader section. If you do not hear this message, the VRS is not authorized to play NLS BARD material. Repeat the steps to manually install the authorization. Enabling NLS BARD services to the VRS. 1. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and the airplane mode is off. 2. Go to the online bookcase, Online button. 3. Press the menu key 7 repeatedly until you access the NLS BARD menu. 4. You should hear Add NLS BARD Services. If not, press the scroll key 8 until you find this option. 5. Press the confirm key #. 6. Follow the prompts to enter your NLS account, email and password using multi-tap text entry mode. Remember, the password is case sensitive. 7. Press the confirm key # to confirm. 8. You will hear NLS BARD enabled. The NLS BARD menu will now consist of 4 new items. Remove NLS BARD service and delete all associated files used to remove the service from the VRS. Import NLS BARD configuration from File, used to set up BARD configuration from a computer. Modify NLS BARD login information, used to modify your BARD account information. NLS BARD book types to search, used to set the type of books you wish to search for. The choices are audio books only, default, audio and Braille, or Braille books only.